Yeah, it's D-Man. True fucking story. All buzz glory. Love. 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 My life is like a whirlpool. I'm a fucking world dude. People dying all around. I'm tired of all these funerals. Mama always told me she gon' motherfucking die soon. She not gonna be able to see me rise to the top soon. Next month later, she died right up in the living room. I ain't get a chance to say goodbye. My family couldn't do nothing but cry. Saying to myself, God, why she had to die? From that point on, man, I knew I had to ride. It was time to hit the field and get for fucking real. Get down with a squad to get my stupid ass killed. I had to put in work, leave niggas in the dirt. I had to watch my back so I wouldn't get murked. Money on the grass, then it started in the earth. While I'm at a party, niggas take me off the earth. I had to seal a deal. It was gonna be killed, then that motherfucking fail. I keep a bad bitch, I call her Amber Rose. Roll up to the stove, paparazzi at the door. Nigga try to blow me, that night gon' leave him stressed out on the floor. The pussy ass niggas going on my hero. M16 louder than a wrestling show. Nigga try to jack me on my way from the stove. I put the 38 to his face. He started lying like Pinocchio. Yo, getting longer than the fucking wooden pole. He dropped my shit around like he saw a fucking ghost. This ride is so hard, but it's easy to fucking go. All my niggas put in work like Bob the Builder. Mac will leave your ass lower than Matilda. Say I kill for no reason, well damn it must be killing season. Fuck me, the chopper gon' leave sleeping. Work hard, play hard, all I do is ball hard. Money on my mind, my girl so fucking fine. I fuck her till she cry, I call that one and dine. My swagger so fly, you pussy ass niggas, man I eat y'all up like pie. Blow me, you gon' die, all I do is ride. Catch you in the streets, homie, you bound to fucking die. Hit you with that chopper, now you're living in the sky. I be so fucking high, my money's so high. So boy, you better chill before I see your ass goodbye. Y'all know my reply is get down to die. So boy, you better choose fast when you motherfucking die. Chopper Dixon 40, bitch, everybody about to ride.
Yeah, man. That motherfucking dude D-Man, you hear me? So look, y'all like my dude shit and follow him on Instagram, you hear me? What's your name on Instagram, yo?
Real nigga Viney.
Real nigga Viney, you hear me? Look, I'm Gary Town New and I'm trying to get y'all everything, you hear me? True fucking story. Fuck with me.